This is a new iPhone 15 Pro Max. It's a new blue titanium color. They come in 4 different colors: blue, black, silver and natural. This one is black for comparison. Today we are going to unbox this blue iPhone. Let's take a look at the box. It's blue over here. We have Apple logo here, iPhone, and another logo over here. This is the box. Comes with 2 seals, same way as in the previous 2 models. There is no sticker anymore. Everything is printed right here on the box, including MEI, serial and everything. This one is 256 gigabyte. They come in 256, 512 and 1 terabyte. Smaller Pro version also comes in 128. All the phone information is printed on the box and you can even feel it with your finger. So now there will be no way to make a fake box. It used to be easy before when people would just put a sticker on it, but now there is no sticker, just printed on the box. We've just opened the box and this is the new iPhone. It's a new blue color, beautiful. It looks different depending how it reflects the color. It comes with a front sticker, looks the same as in previous models. We will get back to the phone in a bit. Let's take a look at what we have inside the box. We have a small manual, Apple sticker, 2 papers. There is obviously no SIM tool because 14 and 15 models come with eSIM, no physical SIM card. And this is our new cable. It's very much different from everything we saw before. 2 USB-C connectors. Same as in Androids and in latest iPads. Biggest difference is the material of the cord. It's now some kind of cloth kind of material. It's not perfectly packed and aligned. Just the way they pack, just like that. Clips here. Same as in previous cables. It feels much nicer on touch. My prediction is that any cable like this is gonna get very dirty and greasy and you won't be able to clean it up. I think with the next model, they're gonna go back to the rubber material. Quick look at the rest of the box. Big hole for the camera. That's the way it sits in there. We have some writing in there. This is a new blue color. To my eye, I believe it has some purple in it, like a little bit of purple. This thing is now a similar color to the body. It's no more glossy thing on the side. It's titanium here and on the side. We have same button here. Cameras seem to be just a little bit bigger than before. Here we have same 2 buttons and this switch has changed. By default it's the same mute kind of switch, but you can program it to many other different functions. And the port here is USB-C. This is 15 Pro and Pro Max have USB 3 speed and basic 15 and 15 Plus only USB 2 speed, which is much slower, but about the same as in Lightning. This part has changed and you can adjust it. We have same front camera here. I mean, it's different, it's better here. We have smaller black bezel on the sides. This is iPhone 14 Pro Max for comparison. These thin cameras used to be transparent. And the new ones, it's the color of the phone. Comparing 15 Pro Max with 14 Pro Max, to be honest with you, it's not that big of a difference. The biggest difference is probably the Lightning connector. As always, new phone will be a little bit faster, a little bit better camera. If you are looking to upgrade, I would not upgrade from a 14 Pro Max, but if you have something old, then it's definitely worth it.